Okay, we're starting our equipment shed. We're going to be drilling some holes today for the post. We're going to make a pole barn equipment shed. We have the Ground Hog HD99 rental. I've already attached the auger up here. It has an adapter because it's a 10-inch auger and it's too large for the shaft. Just basically it's got an electric kill switch here. It's got your on and off switch down here on the engine. And it's got a choke and a throttle here. I don't know if you can see it. There it is right up here. And it has the gas on off here. Okay, so you have the gas on off, the choke, the throttle. You don't want that in full throttle while you're running it. So we're going to go ahead and show you how easy this is to drill some holes. Got our holes all dug. Now we're putting in the cement in the holes. Got a couple of these done already. Reading 50 pounds of concrete mix to each hole, giving me about an 8-inch pad in the bottom. Beautiful day today. About 55 degrees, sunny. It's a beautiful day to do this anyways. Okay, we got all our holes in, got all our cement in the bottom. So we drilled 8 holes this morning. They're 8 feet apart, 12 feet on the end, so we have a 24 by 12 pole barn. We're gonna be building our pole barn equipment shed. So that was about 3 hours from start to finish, going to rent the auger, bringing the auger back, mixing the cement, pouring it in the holes. So we're about 3 hours later, and now we're ready to go ahead and place our 4x4s in after this stuff cures. We have 4 12-footers here. I got 4 10-footers in the barn over there. So they're just going to sit right on top of the cement here.